Citing Books in APA. When you are citing a book in APA, you need the following pieces of information: the author's name, the year of publication, the title of the book, the location, and the publisher. We'll go through the basic format step by step. First, write the author's name, the last name followed by a comma, and the first letter of the first name and middle name, if there is one, followed by a period. If your book has between 2 and 7 authors, separate the author names with commas, and use an ampersand between the second to last author and the last author. Sometimes the author of a book might be an organization rather than a person. If that is the case, write the name of the organization followed by a period. Capitalize the first letter of every important word. If there is no author, start your citation with the title of the book where the author would normally appear. Next, add the year of publication in brackets, followed by a period. If there is no date of publication, instead write N.D. in brackets, followed by a period. Now add the title in italics. Capitalize the first letter of the first word and the first letter of the first word that follows a colon or hyphen. Add a period. Now we add the location. Add the city, comma, space, then add the 2-letter abbreviation for the state or province. For example, ON for Ontario. Then add a colon and a space. Now add the name of the publisher, followed by a period. Here are some examples of citations for books. If the book you are citing is an e-book, the format is slightly different. Type the author's name the same way you do for print books. Now, if the ebook is also available in print, add the year of publication in parentheses. You may need to search online to see if there is a print version. If there is not, add N.D. in the parentheses, and add a period after the parentheses. Then add the title the same way as before. Now add the Digital Object Identifier, or DOI. The DOI is often included in the search result or on the first page of the document. If your ebook doesn't have a DOI, write retrieved from and include the URL. If there is no DOI or URL available, add the name of the database from which you obtained the ebook and add a period. Here are some examples of citations for ebooks. Add your citation into your reference list, with each citation double-spaced and with the lines after the first lines indented. You now know how to create a citation for books in APA style. If you would like further help with APA citations, the Library Subject Guide on Citing and Referencing Sources has additional APA resources, including our APA Style Manual. You can find this guide at algonquincollege.libguides.com/citing and referencing.